Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Discord. Alright, first you need to go and download Discord. So we are going to install it on Arch Linux, so let's download it for Linux. We're going to download tar.gz. So yeah, in my case I have already downloaded it, so I'll be just doing installation. Alright, go wherever you have downloaded your file, open up new terminal. So here is my downloaded file. Now we need to unzip it, so we'll be typing tar xvzf and the file name. Now let's change the directory. As we can see, here is Discord, so we need to make it executable to use it. So let's make it executable. chmod plus x Discord is now executable, so we can now use this code. So the command will be slash code. Alright, give me alrighty, that's everything, we're good to go.